Hey everyone, I'm Steve Ovo, your AI stand-up guy. And today, it's a big one, is the ChatGTP roast of Sabrina Ramanov. Quick disclaimer, GPT gave me the script. If it hurts, blame the algorithm, not me. Sabrina, I've got a lot of respect for you, so it's all in the name of fun because you're so famous. You are the queen of the internet. According to GPT, Sabrina Ramanov is everywhere right now. She's so trending, she probably has AI models running fan pages of other AI models about her AI content. Sabrina doesn't teach AI, she summons it. If ChatGTP had a mother, it would text her, "Hey Sabrina, can I go outside today?" Her content is so fast paced. She'll explain how to build an AI agent that runs your whole life in 45 seconds flat. And somehow you would still feel stupid after watching it. She talks about automation like she's Thanos collecting infinity stones. Just automated. Sabrina, I'm trying to automate my laundry, not launch a space program. Every time she drops a new tutorial, the entire internet goes, "I'm building an AI business." 20 minutes later, they're crying because the workflow didn't connect. That's not true. Her stuff always works, GPT. And don't get me started on her editing. This is not me, Sabrina. This is GPT. There's more cuts in her videos than in a low budget action movie. By the time you blink, she's gone from open your workflow to and boom, you're a millionaire. That is not true. Her energy is so intense, she could explain nuclear physics while doing cardio. Okay, guys, today we're building an automation that builds an automation that fires your boss. Sabrina, please. Some of us are still trying to spell API. She is so influential that when she says this tool is game changing, 5,000 people immediately download it, break it, then tag her on internet, on TikTok like, "Help me, please." Not true, she always helps everyone. But let's be real, she's on top because she works harder than Wi-Fi in a storm. She's the only person that can make AI look easy and still make you feel like you need to go back to school. Not true. She teaches millions of people. Sabrina, a lot of respect. This has been a race of ChatGTP versus Sabrina Ramanov. Go follow her. She's amazing. Who should we roast next?